Are your Firefox extensions not working on Windows 11? Let's uncover the issue and how to resolve it. Open Mozilla Firefox. Launch the Mozilla Firefox web browser on your computer. Access the menu, click the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, located at the top right corner of the browser window. Go to Add-ons from the menu, select the Add-ons option. Check Extensions. In the Add-ons Manager, click on Extensions on the left-hand side. Review the list of extensions. If any are toggled off, indicated by a gray oval, click the toggle to turn them on. Verify date and time settings. Ensure your system's date and time settings are correct. Right-click on the time in your system tray, bottom right corner of the screen. Select Adjust Date Time. Either sync the time automatically or set it manually if needed. Reinstall problematic extensions, optional. If an extension still doesn't work, try removing and reinstalling it. Click the 3-dotted icon next to the extension. Select Remove. Reinstall the extension by searching for it in the Find More Add-ons field or visiting the Firefox Extension Store. Restart Firefox Close and reopen the browser to ensure all changes take effect. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.